Hello everyone there, welcome back. I am Shweta and we are studying chapter 3rd, that is impressive web designing. In last lecture we have studied some tags like bold, italic, underline, subscript, superscript, big, small. All these tags we have studied. So all these tags, what are they? They are nothing but text formatting tags, right? So today we are going to study two more new tags. So let us see. In today's lecture, we are going to study heading levels and inserting horizontal ruled line. So let us see one by one. So the first tag which we are going to study today is heading tag, or we can say heading levels. Why the heading is given as heading levels? Because there are different types of heading levels which we are going to see in the heading tags. See, HEAD head is different, and this heading which we are going to study now is different. This heading is what? This heading is the heading which you give to the topic. Okay, like chapter's name, that is the heading. Like any topic's name is there highlighted, that should be the heading, or any heading which you are giving to your topic. That type of a headings, that for that purpose we are going to use this heading levels, right? So the one which we have studied previously, that was included in the which one? HTML, then head section, and then body section. There the head it was. That head is different. That I told you, in that head, if you are writing the title tag, then the title will be displayed on the screen. But whatever you write in the head, that is just used for the search engines. But this heading levels, it is different. Let us see what it is. HTML provides 6 levels of heading. So HTML is providing how many levels of heading? 6 levels. So in HTML, how many levels of headings are there? 6 levels. Always remember, in HTML, we are going to study 6 levels of heading tags. Okay. Now, the range is from 6 levels heading tag, means the starting, it is going to start from H1 to H6. See this H I have written capital. You can even write it small. Will do, because I have already explained you that it is not case sensitive. That's why you write in uppercase or lowercase. The answer will be same, means whatever the output is there, that is going to come same only. Okay, but this is not HI, it is H1. ये H1 लिखा है मैंने, और H6 means H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and last one is H6. So how many levels of headings are there? 6 levels: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and last one is H6. Okay, then the highest level of heading is H1. Now don't think that the 6 is highest than 1. 6 1 से बड़ा होता है, इसलिए सबसे highest level of heading 6 होगा, नहीं. H1 is the highest level of heading. Highest level of heading means what? The font size of H1 will be bigger than the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, the size of the font, it will be bigger in H1. सबसे बड़ा जो size होगा H1 में ही होता है. ओके, साइज ऑफ हेडिंग इट विल बी बिगर इन H1. फिर उसके बाद H2 में उससे छोटा, फिर H3 में छोटा. सबसे छोटा है लेवल ऑफ हेडिंग कौन सा होगा? फिर H6. ओके, फॉन्ट साइज बहुत छोटा हो जाएगा H6 में, लेकिन सबसे बड़ा फॉन्ट साइज कहाँ पे रहेगा? H1 में, एंड इट विल बी ऑल्सो इन बोल्ड. ओके, सो the smallest level of heading is S6. So you should know this difference. Highest level of heading H1 and smallest level of heading H6. Heading tag is a container tag. So I have told you what is container tag, what is empty tag. Empty tag, the another name for empty tag is singular tag, and for the container tag, the another name is paired tag, right? So heading tag is a container tag, means what? It is having a closing tag. इसमें closing tag compulsory है. Okay, so heading tag में closing tag होता है, that's why it is called as a container tag. If H1 is started, then H1 should get closed also. If H2 is started, then H2 should get closed. Likewise, till H6 we can say. So it is a container tag, means it should have a closing tag. Okay, then एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ हेडिंग टैग्स. एट्रीब्यूट्स क्या होते हैं कि जो ये टैग्स होता है इसके साथ जो चलने वाले होते हैं, मीन्स इसके साथ हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, उसे कहते हैं एट्रीब्यूट्स. ओके, एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ हेडिंग टैग्स, व्हाट आर दे? लेट अस सी. One is given, that is align. Align means sets alignment of heading to left, right or center. By default it is left. See how we will write this. I will show you that also. I am going to show you the coding also, how to write of heading levels, and the another type which we are going to study, that is HR. So both codings, after completing the theory part, I am going to show you how to write the coding also. Okay, so align means what? Sets alignment of heading, means where you want to keep your heading, to the left side, to this right side or to the center. By default always it is left. अगर आपने लेफ्ट नहीं लिखा, align is equal to लेफ्ट नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा. ओके, क्योंकि बाय डिफॉल्ट हमेशा क्या होता है? लेफ्ट ही होता है. अगर आपको राइट में चाहिए, राइट साइड मीन्स व्हाट? दिस साइड. आपका अगर हेडिंग इस साइड में चाहिए तो व्हाट यू विल गिव? अलाइन इज इक्वल टू राइट. ओके, इफ यू वांट हेडिंग टू बी इन सेंटर, जैसे ये हेडिंग सेंटर में है, अगर आपको सेंटर में चाहिए तो आपको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? अलाइन इज इक्वल टू सेंटर. ओके, लेकिन इसको कैसे लिखते हैं? इसको H1 के साथ या फिर H2 H3 जिसके साथ भी आपको लिखना है वैसे कैसे लिखना पड़ेगा? आई विल शो यू हाउ टू राइट. एक्चुअली आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द कोडिंग ऑल्सो, बट स्टिल वी विल सी हाउ टू राइट. Okay, so just try to understand this. Handwriting is not proper, but then to try to understand how we are writing the attributes. See, in this way we have to write the attribute. Greater than sign के अंदर ही लिखना है, उसके बाहर नहीं लिखना है. Okay, write any level of heading. Now here I have written H2. You can write H1, H2, H3 till H6. कोई भी level of heading आप लिख सकते हो. Okay, then align. Give the space. Then write align is equal to inverted comma. Inverted comma के अंदर आपको लिखना है राइट या फिर सेंटर. ओके, लेफ्ट तो बाय डिफॉल्ट होता है, तो लेफ्ट नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलता है. ओके, इफ यू वांट द हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स इट शुड बी अलाइन और इट शुड बी सेट इन द सेंटर, देन गिव लाइक दिस H2 align is equal to inverted comma and right here center. See the spelling of center, if you will write wrong spelling then that will be wrong. CENTER center means center में आने के लिए. ओके, एंड CENTRE center means the different centers, exam centers वगैरह होते हैं, that centers. Okay, so that center and this center is different. अगर आपने spelling wrong किया, फिर आपने अगर आप बोलोगे कि मेरा output नहीं दिख रहा है, so be aware how to write the this spellings also. Okay, here the spelling is also very important. Color spelling is also different in this. Means here in computer language we never use U in the color spelling. Okay, U नहीं लिखा जाता है color के अंदर. Okay, so this is the heading tag. So how many levels of headings are there? 6 levels, and the range is from H1 to H6. Highest level is H1, smallest is H6, and heading is a container tag, means it is having the closing tag. Okay, see यहाँ पे आपको जो heading देना है ये लिखने का, फिर आपको H2 close करना पड़ेगा. Okay, then attribute of heading is one only attribute I have given here, that is align. It is used for setting the alignment of the heading to the left, right or center, and by default always it will be left. Okay, now let's move further and see the HR. Now HR tag, what is this HR? H stands for horizontal and R stands for ruled. Okay, so horizontal ruler means अगर आपको horizontal line देना है तो आपको कौन सा tag use करना पड़ेगा? HR tag. Okay, so HR is used to display horizontal ruled line. See, I will show you how the ruled line will be displayed. Okay, this is called as a horizontal ruled line. If you want to display such type of a horizontal ruled line, then for that purpose you are going to use HR tag. Why we are using HR tag? To display this horizontal ruled line. Okay, then it is a singular tag, or we can say empty tag. See, this HR tag, it is not having the closing tag. इसको closing tag नहीं होता है, इसलिए it is called as a singular tag, or also we can call it as a empty tag. Okay, because it is not having the closing tag. इसमें /HR हम लोग नहीं लिखते हैं. That's why it is a singular tag, or we can say empty tag. Attributes with HR tag. Now your different attributes are there with HR tag. Let us see one by one. The first one is color. It sets color for the horizontal ruled line. See, the spelling of color is COLOR. Don't write U. U is not written. U लिखोगे तो नहीं आएगा output. Okay. So color, what is the use of this color attribute? ये horizontal को अगर आपको कोई, now see this line you can see it is red in color. Okay. But if you're not giving the color, it will be not red. It will be in black color. So suppose if you want to give the color to the horizontal line, then you can give the color. Okay, color के attribute में आपको लिखना पड़ेगा HR color is equal to red. आपको red चाहिए तो red, green, blue, whatever color you want, you can write that color in the inverted comma. जैसे हम लोगों ने center लिखा था, align is equal to inverted comma center. In same way you have to write color is equal to inverted comma and the name of the color. तो color वो color का आपका line आएगा. Okay, then the next attribute width. It specifies the length of the ruled line in percent or pixels. It specifies the length of the ruled line. Now see, length. Length means, see, this is the whole screen and this is a 100% screen. Okay, 100% screen hai. If you are giving 50%, so what will happen? The ruled line ये सिर्फ 50% ऑक्यूपाई करेगा. ओके, ये पूरा 100% है and instead of 100% it is going to cover only 50%. So line सिर्फ 50% आएगा. Okay, either you can give 50% or you can give pixels, that is 50 pixels. Okay, so that will also do. Okay, so you can either write in percent or in pixels. So we will see when we will do the coding how this width we are going to write. Okay, then next one, size. It sets thickness of a ruled line. Now since width and size is different, width यानी स्क्रीन कितना कवर करने वाला है. ओके, ये लाइन स्क्रीन कितना कवर करना है उसके लिए हम लोग पिक्सल्स देंगे, और साइज होता है इसका थिकनेस, इसका मोटापा बढ़ाने के लिए. नाउ सी इट इज सिंगल टाइप ऑफ लाइन. इफ आई एम राइटिंग साइज इज इक्वल टू 10, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, ये जो थिकनेस है इसका ये और मोटा हो जाएगा. सी, it is not proper, but try to understand that the thickness of the line will be increased. Okay, when we will do the actual practical, then the output, basing the output, will come to know what it means. Okay, thickness means iska motapa badayega line ka. Okay, then lastly we can say align is the tag, means sorry, not tag, attribute of this HR is align also. Align means again the same thing which is going to come. If you want to set the ruler to the left, right or center, then you can use the alignment. By default it will be always what, in the left. Everything by default is in left only. हर एक टैग का जो भी आउटपुट रहेगा वो बाय डिफॉल्ट हमेशा लेफ्ट में रहता है. अगर आपको उसका अलाइनमेंट चेंज करना है, देन दैट टाइम ओनली सेट द अलाइनमेंट टू द राइट और सेंटर wherever you want. Okay, so these are the different attributes of HR. First, HR tag is used for what purpose? It is used for displaying the horizontal ruled line. Then it is a singular tag, or we can say empty tag, because it is not having the closing tag. Then attributes of HR, first is color. It is used to give color to the line. Width, how much screen should it that line should occupy, for that purpose we are using. Then size, for setting the thickness of a line. Then alignment, for setting the line, means where it should come, in the center, in the right side, that. Okay, so and by default always it will be in the left. So this two tags today we have studied, which are they? Heading and HR tag. Now let's do the practical of this. First we will do the practical of which one? First we will do the practical of headings. Okay, now see, Notepad. First you have to open the Notepad. Then first thing what I'm going to write is HTML. I will write HTML. Then I will write head. Then inside head I'm going to write title. In title I'm going to write title as heading. Okay, we are going to study heading tags. So heading tags. This is our heading. Close the title. Okay, then close the head. Done with the heading. Head, see this head is different and the headings which we are going to study is different. Body. Okay, now I'm writing in body. First heading H1. So H1, I will write heading level 1. Okay, you can write anything. You can write your friend's name, you can write flowers name, you can write fruits name, anything. I am writing your heading level 1. ओके क्लोज H1 को क्लोज करना है क्योंकि इट इज अ कंटेनर टैग. नाउ सी हियर देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ गिविंग ब्रेक. ये ऑटोमेटिकली सेकंड को दूसरी लाइन पे ही लेगा. क्यों लेगा? क्योंकि इट इज अ हेडिंग और हेडिंग उसको समझता है कि हेडिंग ये टॉपिक को दिया जाता है, इसलिए नेक्स्ट लाइन को ब्रेक ही देगा. जो नेक्स्ट उसके बाद आने वाला है उसमें ब्रेक ही रहेगा ऑटोमेटिकली. इवन इफ यू राइटिंग टेक्स्ट आफ्टर दिस, ये हेडिंग के बाद अगर आपने कुछ टेक्स्ट भी लिखा तो भी वो उसको ऑटोमेटिकली ब्रेक देगा क्योंकि हेडिंग का मतलब ही होता है this is heading, so whatever next it is going to come, it is going to come in the new line. इसलिए इस यहाँ पे हम लोग ब्रेक नहीं देते हैं. ओके नाउ आई विल राइट हियर हेडिंग level 2. I will close H2. Similarly, I will write H3. I'll just copy it. So instead of writing many times, it will be easy for me also and for you also to understand. Okay, we can complete it fast. Control V. I'll just write here H3 and here I'll write heading level 3 and I will delete this. Oh shit. Your third. Okay, then place your cursor here. Okay, this is done. Okay, heading level 3 has been finished. Now I'll just change heading level 4. I will write here. You also 4. You also 4. Okay, last you 4. Okay, now fifth, not last, sorry, fifth, heading level 5th 5. Then here also I'll change to 5 and here also I have to change it to 5. Then again last heading level is remaining. So here it is H6, sorry, H6. Here I'll write H6, heading level 6 and here also 6. Okay, now done. So done. So I'll just close the body and then I will close the HTML. Okay, now let's see the output. I will save this, save it. And the folder which you have created, in that folder you can save this. I will write here practical 2 HTML. Okay, save it. Now let us see the output. The output where I have saved, I will go in that and I will see where is that practicals. Yes, HTML practicals prac 2. Okay, double click. Now let us see the output, how it looks. Let us see the output, how it looks. So see, it's very slow. See, this is the output. Okay, so see, heading level 1, the font size, it is very big. Then the second level, then the third level, then the fourth, then the 5th and then the 6th. Okay, so this highest is H1 and lowest is the 6th level. Okay, so this is how the heading levels look. Okay, so see, यहाँ पे मैंने ब्रेक नहीं दिया था कोडिंग में, फिर भी सब लोग अपने अपना नेक्स्ट लाइन पे आ गए क्योंकि हेडिंग का मतलब ही होता है कि हेडिंग देने के टॉपिक को, तो उसके बाद जो भी आएगा वो नेक्स्ट लाइन पे आएगा. दैट्स वाई ऑटोमेटिकली सब लोग विदाउट ब्रेक भी उन लोग अपने जगह पे आ गए. Okay, so this is what, this is the heading level. See, and the title which we wrote, it came here, heading tags. Okay, so this is the output. So I hope this is clear to you. Now suppose अगर आपने जो पिछली बार पढ़ा था underline, so अगर मुझे underline देना heading 1 को, so I will write here U. Okay, and what I will do, I will close it. H1 से पहले आपको close करना पड़ेगा. Okay, then save it. Suppose आपको heading level 2 को italic. See why I am giving this, because you should know that only, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक ही tag use होता है. We can use multiple tags at a time. Okay, I will save it and I will show you the output here. Okay, let us refresh this. I have saved it by Ctrl S and I am refreshing it. तो सी द हेडिंग लेवल 1 को अंडरलाइन आ गया एंड हेडिंग लेवल 2 ये इटैलिक हो गया, मैंने इटैलिक किया बाद में. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन राइट एनी टैग्स विथ एनी टैग्स. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि सबको अलग अलग यूज करना है. एक ही साथ में आप इसी को अंडरलाइन, इसी को इटैलिक, इसी को बोल्ड, whatever things we have studied in the last practical, that also you can apply over here. okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. इसको हम लोग इसी के अंदर एक ही जन को अगर आपको अंडरलाइन भी देना है, सेंटर में भी रखना है, all that things we can do. okay, again one more thing, we want to keep this in center. suppose I want to keep heading level 4 in center, तो मुझे alignment देना है. I will write in front of H4. H4 के बाद मैंने स्पेस दिया. I am writing ALIGN, align is equal to inverted comma. In that inverted comma I am writing CENTER, center. C greater than sign उसके बाद आएगा. ओके, उसके अंदर ही आपको align लिखना है. सेव इट, कंट्रोल एस, मैंने सेव किया. नाउ वी विल गो टू द आउटपुट एंड आई विल रिफ्रेश इट. सी हेडिंग लेवल 4 सेंटर में आ गया. ओके, अलाइनमेंट. सिमिलरली what I will do, I will write to this heading level 6, I will align it ALIGN, align is equal to inverted comma right, क्योंकि लेफ्ट बाय डिफॉल्ट है. सो आई विल राइट RIGHT, राइट. सेव इट, कंट्रोल एस एंड सी द आउटपुट अगेन बाय रिफ्रेशिंग दिस. नाउ सी हेडिंग लेवल 6 यहाँ पे आ गया राइट साइड में. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क्स. सेंटर, दिस इज बाय डिफॉल्ट लेफ्ट एंड दिस विल बी इन द राइट साइड. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल for the heading levels. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move further and see the HR tag. Okay, I will write your file new. Again we will write same thing, HTML head title. In title now I am going to write HR tag. Okay, I will close title, I will close head. Now I will write body. Okay, in body I am writing H1. okay, I'm giving underline also. What I'm writing is I will align it. okay, ALIGN, align is equal to inverted comma, I'll write center में मुझे heading देना है यहाँ पे. what it is, horizontal line. so I'll write you can write anything. I'm writing here horizontal. You can write any heading and you can give the line horizontal tag. okay, or horizontal line, not tag. I will write horizontal line. okay, close U, then close H. now I will write HR. okay, HR यहाँ पे I will use color. मुझे color देना है. okay, first we will use simple HR. now here there is we will just see the output without giving anything. okay, without giving anything means just simply see how the output comes. then close the HTML. okay, save it. I will write here pract3.html. I will see the output. practical third, let us see the output, how it looks. see, simply HR I have gave horizontal line. ये मैंने heading दिया था, alignment दिया था center and underline, तो ये आ गया heading horizontal line. okay, लेकिन मैंने see if even I am not writing this H1 and simply I am writing HR, then also this line will be displayed in the output. ये line simply मैंने HR दिया तो पूरा screen 100% line occupy हो गया. okay, now what we will do, we will write here width. HR space width, ये जो इसका attribute है width is equal to inverted comma, I will write to 80%. okay, or I will write 60%. you can write in percent or in pixels, will do. I will save this, control S. now इसका refresh करेंगे और output देखेंगे. see, screen का 60% occupy किया. okay, screen का कितना percent occupy किया, 60%. okay, similarly see, I will give 80%. again control S and see the output, how it looks. refresh it, see 80%. right, now we will use another attribute also with this. we will use a color. space दो और color लिखो. color is equal to inverted comma, I will write here color pink. okay, then I will write another attribute also, last attribute, which was that no, not last, we will write the attribute what we said, width is over size. Size means thickness, motapa. Okay, so I'll just write here thickness 10. Okay, then the alignment. Now it is coming in center, we will just give it the alignment. Okay, so sorry that I have told you that HR alignment is by default it is coming in left side, but no, HR we can see in the output that it is coming in center. Okay, so here we can say that alignment of HR is in the center, so here we can change the alignment to right. Okay, okay, now let us see the output. I have saved it. Now I will just refresh it. Now see, left side में आ गया ये. Okay, so left side, and this is thickness is 10 and the color is pink. Okay, now let us change and see whether the alignment to the left side. Okay, so alignment to the left, Control S. So now see the output, refresh it. Now left side. Okay, so one thing which we have seen is alignment is of HR is by default in center. This you should keep in mind, because actually we will see more tags, and all the tags by default the alignment is in the left side only. For the first time this HR alignment is in the center. Okay, so understood, all this thing is clear to you. I hope this is clear to you. We will just change one sentence over here. By default it is what? By default it is what? Right. Okay, sorry, it's not right, center. HR is by default it is in center. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you now. This is clear to you, all of you. Okay, now this is all for today. I hope this is clear to you. Now see you in the next lecture with some new tags. Practice it, write all the notes whichever I have taught to you in your book, and write all these practicals which we are doing. Okay, so see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care, be safe and enjoy learning.